Hey guys, what's up? This is Cuban Zone, and this video is gonna be a complete notation guide for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. As that's been said, let's get into it. So, in order to learn the notations, you have to learn the name of the faces. I'm holding the cube with white on top and green in front. This is my upper or U face, right or R face, left or L face, down or D face, back or B face, front or F face. So let's move on to basic notations. So what an R means is that you have to turn the white layer 90° clockwise. So what an R prime means is that you have to turn the white layer 90° anti-clockwise. This is a U, U prime, L, L prime, F, F prime, B, B prime, D, D prime. Now let's move on to 180-degree turns.
As the name suggests, all you have to do is to turn a layer 180 degrees. So this is an R2, L2, F2, B2, D2, finally U2. Now let's move on to cube rotations. There are three types of cube rotations, namely X, Y and Z. X is the vertical rotation, Y is the horizontal rotation, and Z is the sideways rotation. So this is an X, an X prime, Y, Y prime, Z, and Z prime. Now let's get on to wide moves. In this type of turns, you have to turn the main layer as well as the layer adjacent to it, which will be a middle layer. This is denoted with a lowercase alphabet or notation followed by a W. So this is an wide R, a wide R prime, a wide L, wide L prime, wide U, wide U prime, a wide D, wide D prime, a wide B, a wide B prime, wide F, and finally wide F prime. Middle layer turns. As the name suggests, middle layer turns deals with the middle layers. There are three types of middle layer turns: M or middle, S or standing, E or equatorial turns. So this is an M, M prime, S, and S prime, E, E prime.
So that's it for this video guys. If you found the video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.